Hey, it's hot. There's Becky.
Yep, it's hot.
It's like 95 degrees today. What do we do? Where are you going? There's
Sitting
Moose.
down.
There's Moose.
Yeah.
There's Jasper. I tripped over Jasper. See Jasper.
We're all out under the shade.
Lulu is, no, not Lulu. Lulu's out there.
She gotta be the oddball.
She gotta lay out there in that sun. She likes that sun for some reason. We'll make her come in. Wind's picking up. Awning's gonna come in here in a little bit, but I got the door open on Honey. Gotta change the training seal. No, dipstick O-ring, not training seal. We're not pulling the transmission, dropping the training.
No.
Dipstick O-ring. That's what I'm fixing to change. Honey's developed a leak, so.
And it wasn't a tranny pan.
Wasn't a tranny pan, as Becky over here says.
Yeah. We're
No tranny pan.
supervising.
Yep. All right, I gotta get busy. I'll show you where it is. All right, here is the tranny dipstick.
A dipstick for a dipstick.
Dipstick for a dipstick. Listen to her. And it goes down there. Kind of bright down there, ain't it? Goes right there. We're gonna pull that out. Put a new O-ring on it. Ooh, the wind. What was that? That was a wind? All right. Yeah. Don't mind that spark plug there. It went on some pollution thing that they took off. They use those to plug the holes with. But hey, it works. Let's get busy. All right, after further investigation, it looks like we have to pull this bolt out. And it should pop right out of that transmission. Time to go get some tools rounded up. And I'll be back. Okie dokie, the bolt is out. Let's see if this thing will pop out. Come on. It is very loose. I think it's going to come out through the hood. I believe. But it is out. There's the O-ring. Got the tube out. There's the dipstick tube. Kind of windy. Sorry about wind noise, if there is any. But now it's time to change that. Let's put a new one on. There's the old one. It's off. It tore coming off. But hey, it's off. All right. Let's get the new one on. Oops. Time to get the new one on. There it is. The dipstick tube's back in place. Wasn't no leak down there. I came on this side because it was a little less bright, so to speak. But there it is, all fixed up. No leaks. She can now keep her tranny fluid in her. Honey is a happy RV again. Also changed the radiator cap. So you can see she was spitting out water. She doesn't do that no more either. But there it is, the transmission dipstick's got a new O-ring on it. And I couldn't use the one in the box. I had to go back to the parts store and actually take the dipstick tube in and let them size one up for it, because the one that it called for was not the right size. It was way too big. There's that 351 Windsor. It's a fine engine. All sealed up though, no more leaks.